How to enable, announce, or read out incoming caller's name and number when you are using the Nothing phone with Android 15, Nothing OS 3. Your Nothing phone will most likely be using the Google Dialer app as the default dialer app, which is this one here. Once you go into it, you'll see this here show up, and you want to tap on the three dots at the top right. So go ahead and tap on that one time. You're going to see settings. Go ahead and tap on the settings option right here. Then from here, you'll see all these settings for calls. So go down and keep going down until you see the advanced section, which says caller ID announcement, this second to last option here. Once you go into it, you'll be taken to this here, and this is going to give you the option to choose when to announce the incoming call. So you want to tap on this area here, and when you do this, this is going to pop up. So at default, it'll most likely be set to never. So that means nobody's name is going to be called out loud or anything like that. However, if you wanted to always do that, switch it to always. Now, if you want this to only be for if you have a Bluetooth headset or a connected headset to your phone at the time, then you want to go with only using the headset. And of course, if you don't like it, you want to turn it off completely, just come back here and set it to never. And that's that. Like and sub.